Here, Kirby. I don't think he's gonna do it.
This is Kirby. Come on, play with the ball.
Kirby!
Here, give me the stick. Come on, grab it.
Stay off.
Come on. Come on, go and get it. Go and get it. Come on. Get the ball.
Why isn't he doing it anymore? I'm more interested on chewing on a stick.
Come on. Get the ball.
Kirby, you know you want it.
There you go. Here, move your hand. I gotta get this on camera. Stop playing with the stick. Here you go. Ball. Come on, get the ball. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you're on camera. Can you hear him? Do you hear him? Serena. Hi, Serena.
Hi. Eat it!
How mean. Be nice to the dog.
If you tried biting my fingers, do you want my feet?
Do you want my feet? I've actually got shoes on. Come on. Come on.
He's watching my
Come on.
foot every now. Oh, he tried biting me. Give him the ball! Give him the ball! Give him my feet! Give him my feet!
Oh, how mean.
That wasn't supposed to hit him.
Come on, get the ball.
I don't think he likes the ball
Come on,
anymore.
get the ball. Get the ball.
Chew him up! He hit you! He hit you! Chew him up!
He doesn't like the ball anymore. Come on.
He doesn't. Chew him up. He hit you. You can bite him.
He doesn't. Come on, do you want my shoe? Hey, be nice. Here. Get the shoe.
Baby cannot consent to his
Get
dog.
the shoe.
Eat it. I need a foot toy.
She's going for the shoe. Come on. She wants to hurt you. Get the shoe.
Kirby, my feet, my feet,
Come
my
on.
feet, my feet, my feet.
She's
He's
more
like, "What's
interested
your
in
foot?"
mine. Which foot?
Yeah, he wants.
Both of them.
He's going for the one that's running.
Hmm. What are you doing? You want my shoe?
I'm going for the one that's letting me chew.
Come on. Come on. You can't. You can't get me. You can't get me.
He's all like, I'm out of this.
Stop playing with Leaf. Bad for you. What's that noise?
Whoa.
Kirby! Come here, little squirt. No, no, chewing on the pants. Rock, 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 rock. Come on, rock.
My foot.
This is Kirby's owner. This is Kirby's owner. Say hi. Hi.
Scrape my foot and now it hurts. It's healed. See?
Kirby's new name tag.
Yeah, I did.
This is Kirby's other owner.
Milk bowl.
Owner, baby. Owner, baby. Ow. Ow,
I didn't even hurt you that much.
No, I did it. Freaked out.
Finn!
Today, it's the hurt the
Look, it's me. I pressed the wrong button. Finn!